Good morning, everyone. Every week I'm going to put together a snapshot of the week or a week of the review of what we're going to be doing this week. And this week we are going to be doing the following. On 3:30, which is today, we're going to be taking a look at rationalizing the denominators of fractions. And I know we did this on Friday, but we only worked with monomials. All right, so we're going to be rationalizing the denominators. So we're going to be looking at problems that look like this: radical 2 plus 5. Something like this, where we have to get rid of the radical where we have a binomial in the denominator. So on 331, we're going to be looking at rationalizing denominators all together. So you're going to get a worksheet that has a bunch of fractions on it with radicals in the denominator, and you're going to have to rationalize them. Your denominator is going to have both monomials and binomials, and there'll be a worksheet of 10 problems. Binomials, okay, worksheet of 10 problems, and they're going to look like the problems that you had Friday and today. And then on April Fool's Day, yes, hi April Fools, you still have homework, sorry. So on Thursday or Wednesday, we're going to be looking at solving radical equations. Okay, how do you solve an equation that has a radical in it? So those equations will look something like the square root of 2x plus 1 equals 7. All right, and you'll have to solve for x. And so we'll talk about that, and you'll have a worksheet on that. And then I like Thursday's assignment. We're going to look at some problem solving with radical equations. Specifically, we're going to look at the Pythagorean theorem and solving for the missing side. Okay, so we'll learn about right triangles and how to solve for the missing side. So that is what we're going to do this week. There's only 4 assignments, so check it out, only 4 assignments. Each assignment is going to be approximately 40 minutes. Some of you may take longer than others, some of you may be quicker than others. So on average, about 40 minutes. So that's what we're going to be doing this week.